Hello friends and welcome. Today's video is on an Onam feast special avial. This video shows how to easily prepare avial, a very important item in an Onam feast. If you like the video, remember to like, comment, and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. The required vegetables for avial have been taken here: snake gourd, eggplant, taro, beans, plantain, unripe banana, drumstick, carrot, cucumber, and yam are what have been taken here. All are cut into the same long size. About 500 grams of vegetables have been taken here. Now, to prepare avial, a clay pot has been taken. Add all the washed vegetables to it. Only the yam is boiled and drained first before being added. Now mix it. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Add the required salt for the avial. Now pour about half a cup of water into it. Now mix it well. Now turn on the stove, cover it, and cook it. After it boils well, it should be cooked on a slow flame. At this time, take a small mixer jar and add 2 cups of grated coconut to it. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add 2 green chilies. The amount can be increased or decreased according to the spice level of the chilies. Now use the mixer to crush it well. This is done without adding water. Now open the avial's lid. Mix it well. Cover it again and boil it. After about 5 minutes, open it. The vegetables are now about 3/4 cooked. At this time, add the crushed coconut that we have prepared on top of it. Now mix it well. Cover it again and boil it until the raw smell of the coconut is gone. After about 2 minutes, open it. Pour 1 cup of curd over it. Crush 2 sprigs of curry leaves well and sprinkle them on top. Pour about 3 tablespoons of raw coconut oil over it. Again, mix it well. Now, avial, which can be served for an Onam feast, is ready here. Avial is a dish that we can all prepare very easily. After the avial is well mixed, while it is still hot, take a washed banana leaf, place it on top, and then place the lid over it. Keeping it like this for 10 minutes will give the avial a great taste. It can be served after 10 minutes. So I hope all my friends liked this avial recipe. If you liked it, remember to like, comment, and share this video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. There are a lot of old videos on Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page. Try to watch them. So a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.